Systematic investment plans or SIPs are a mode of payment mostly associated with mutual fund schemes as an alternative to a lump sum investment. It allows one to make small regular payments at periodic intervals, generally on a monthly basis, which is light on pocket as one can begin SIP with the minimum amount of Rs 1000, Rs 500 or even Rs 100 in some cases. It is more of an inclusive financial plan that allows investors of all financial goals and limitations to develop a habit of investing and on a regular basis. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax and today I'll be talking about the process to stop or discontinue your SIP. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. Terminating a SIP is not advisable. SIP has its own advantages and always draws an edge over lump sum investment. Its main benefits are: first, small installment amount; second, power of compounding where earnings are reinvested at the same rate of interest to constantly grow the principal amount; third, rupee cost averaging when more units are purchased when stock prices are low and less units of equities when prices are high; fourth, significant wealth generation which can be used to fund children's education or retirement plans. Moreover, there are various types of SIPs like trigger SIP, top-up SIP, perpetual SIP and flexible SIP. You can go for flexible SIP where you have the choice to increase and decrease the periodic amount. This can be helpful in times of crisis where you can reduce the amount of monthly payment rather than ending the SIP completely. There are tax saver SIPs as well, known as Equity Linked Savings Scheme or the ELSS. Investors should not give up a SIP if markets are down because it will rise gradually and SIP returns may bounce back. In case of extreme financial pressure, discontinue the SIP and restart as soon as possible. In case you want to pause your SIP payment only for a while, then you can take the following steps. First, provide stop payment instruction to your bank. Second, maintain low balance in bank savings account used for SIP payment so that standing check or payment instruction will be declined. Third, intimate the bank once you want to redeem the plan and you are ready to make the payment. Keep in mind, if stop payment instruction or low balance is held for more than 2 months, then AMC will cancel the SIP. You may miss an installment or pause it temporarily, but it is advisable not to miss or stop SIP installments for more than 2 months if you do not seek permanent cancellation of the plan. SIPs can be stopped temporarily or plans can be cancelled permanently through various methods. The time taken for discontinuation may vary from one fund house or asset management company or the AMC to another. As an investor, you must know that SIP is a voluntary investment and no fine or additional charges can be imposed if you decide to stop the plan in the middle of the scheme, that is, before the lock-in period, apart from the exit load that some AMCs may charge only if you redeem the plan. We will discuss the different online and offline methods. First, you need to log into your mutual fund account of the website of the corresponding AMC. Fill in the details like PAN, bank account details, SIP amount, etc. and select Cancel SIP. The plan will be discontinued with few days. It usually takes 2 weeks to 1 month. Second, in case you invested through an agent, you need to inform the concerned person. Similarly, if you have invested through an online distributor platform, then place a request at the online portal. First, inform the AMC and obtain an appointment form which is available at AMC Registrar or the transfer agents of mutual funds. Fill in the details like PAN, bank details, scheme name and the date from which has to be stopped. Submit to the AMC branch or RNT, Registrar and Transfer Agent office. Within 21 to 30 days, the process of cancellation is initiated. Second, request the banks to cancel the NACH mandate and get a written confirmation for the same. The AMC will get removed as the biller from the bank account and hence no deduction will be made for the investment folio. If stop payments instructions are given and no debit is done for 2 months, then SIP will be terminated automatically by the AMC. Cancellation of SIP does not mean that money invested will be reimbursed. For that, you need to start another transaction which is called redemption. First, Either go online on AMC portal and sell the units as per requirements or visit the AMC office. Similarly, you can go to the RTA office if you have invested through transfer agents. Second, fill and submit the redemption form if you have invested through an online distributor. Third, if your investment is through a demat account, then sell the units through the same account. Once the process is complete, money is transferred to your associated account through an NEFT in a few days, or a check is sent to the registered address. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.